This is the natural dried flower herbs kit. So we have a wide range here. So we have some jasmine. It actually has some scent to it, yeah. I smell the jasmine. So we have a pack of Serratia grosvenor flower. Looks like that. We have the chrysanthemum petals. No scent here. Dried rose petals. This one, yeah, I smell a little bit. Calendula. We have the mint leaves. Another pack of dried roses. Gomphrena, which looks like that. Dried lavender. Assortment of Helichrysum brachyta. There's some hard names, but I have this lemongrass, and then finally some myosotis. So that's that.
Looks like I lost my favorite times. See, you've been on the mind. I've been seeing great lights, got in such a great lights. Let me talk to you in straight line and keep a space for me. Give you what you need. Green took out your ride.